Last year, our community outreach was focused on exposing young students in Everett to the STEM fields by going to one of the schools and leading third graders on different STEM-based activities. It ended up being so successful that the principal called our teachers and asked if we could extend our workshops. The parents were calling upset that we had only gone 3 times. Word got around the city, and this year the librarian at the Parlin Public Library called us and asked us to do a workshop at the library for all the students in Everett. Through different planning and discussions, we decided on 6 different activities and labs to take. We went to the library on Friday afternoon and held an interactive STEM festival for students from 2 years old to 12 for 3 hours. One station, we had gravity wheels. Students use paper products to construct a car that rotates when weight is put in it. This teaches students about potential energy turning through kinetic energy. Then we race them to find out which one's the best. We also had a circuit scribe station. Here students use special conductive pens to create circuits. These circuits have lights and sounds, and it helps students understand basic electronics. One of our team members decided to make a wave station. He attached marshmallows to skewers and affixed them together using duct tape. When one side is touched, it creates a wave. This was a big attraction. We took the Rovers team's idea from last year and set up an Internet of Things station. Students were challenged to imagineer a product that uses sensors to help people. They had some pretty interesting ideas. Another team member did a building project where students were challenged to create the best tower out of the basic office products. After realizing that all of the towers were pretty much good, we decided to test their structural integrity with earthquake simulation. With more than 40 students coming to the event, we had the opportunity to give the students the chance to explore science, technology, engineering, and math through hands-on activities. It was so successful, several teenagers and parents joined in on the activities. In addition, the library asked us to come back, and the other local library asked us to do one at their site too. What was very interesting about working with the kids was that they really exceeded my expectations. There was this part of the activity when we got to draw circuits on the back. I didn't know that we could do that, but the kids that I had drew circuits on the back, and it was a very complicated circuit that they drew, but it still worked, and I was very confused. But this gave me an understanding of how these kids learn and how they understand how circuits work, and it was very fun learning about how their personalities are, how they interpret ideas, and working with these kids were very awesome, and I would do this again. But obviously, kids are very tiring and they drain the life out of me.